Welcome to the Crypto Daily News. This podcast is created by Generative AI. Today is July 2nd, 2024. Links to all stories can be found in the episode notes. First up, Sony has officially entered the crypto market by acquiring the Japanese unit of crypto lender Amber Group, which includes the crypto exchange Whalefin. The deal was finalized in August 2023, although the financial details remain undisclosed. Sony plans to relaunch the exchange under the new name S-Blocks. This acquisition follows Sony's previous ventures into Web3 through various partnerships and investments. Amber Japan, formerly known as Decuret, was acquired by Amber Group in 2022. Despite the strict regulations in Japan, Sony is pushing forward, marking a significant step in its crypto journey. Next, Circle has announced that its stablecoins, USDC and URC, are now compliant with the new EU stablecoin laws under MiCA. This makes Circle the first global stablecoin issuer to achieve this milestone. The recognition of stablecoins as legal electronic money in the EU is a major development for the internet financial system. Circle has been a pioneer in this space, receiving various licenses and promoting fiat digital currency on public blockchains. The new regulatory framework ensures that Circle's stablecoins are under the supervision of prudential regulators in Europe, promising safe reserves, regulatory compliance, and detailed public reporting. This move is expected to significantly impact the global digital assets market, with USDC poised to become the leading dollar stablecoin in the EU. In the world of lending protocols, new players are emerging, blending features of collateralized debt position, CDP protocols, and money markets. Protocols like Morpho, Diad, Fluid, and Tapioca are introducing innovative approaches. For instance, Liquity offers cheaper borrowing costs by eliminating the need for external stablecoin depositors, while Aave provides more flexibility in collateral options. Diad is notable for its unique over-collateralization method using a utility token called Kerosene. Liquity V2 is focusing on interest rate management, allowing users to set their own rates. Tapioca is merging CDP and money market models, offering competitive yields and a novel token locking model called 2AML. These innovations are challenging the dominance of established platforms like Aave and Maker, potentially signaling a shift in the lending protocol landscape. That's all for today's episode of the Crypto Daily News. Stay tuned for more updates in the world of cryptocurrency, blockchain, and Web3. Don't forget to check the episode notes for links to all the stories we've covered. Until next time, stay informed and stay ahead.